In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send the playhead to the start in DaVinci Resolve. Whether you are a seasoned professional or just starting out, mastering navigation within the software is crucial for an efficient workflow. Today, we'll focus on a simple but often overlooked function that can save you valuable editing time. We begin our journey in the Edit page of DaVinci Resolve. This is the hub for piecing together your project, arranging clips on the timeline, and making your project come to life. Familiarizing yourself with how to move around effectively here can make a big difference. Now, one of the most useful shortcuts you can learn is how to quickly send your playhead, that vertical line that indicates your current position on the timeline, to the start. This can be done easily with just the press of a button. The home key on your keyboard. Pressing the home key will instantly move your playhead to the very beginning of your timeline. Equally as useful, pressing the end key will shuttle your playhead to the very end of your timeline. These quick shortcuts are brilliant for saving time when reviewing your project from start to finish. In addition to these shortcuts, there are other navigation keys that you should know about. Using the left and right arrow keys, you can move the playhead frame by frame. This is perfect for making precision edits. Meanwhile, the up and down arrow keys are there to help you jump from clip to clip, which is especially handy when working with longer timelines that consist of multiple clips. As you become more comfortable with these shortcuts, you'll find that your editing speed and workflow efficiency will significantly improve. These navigation techniques are not just helpful, they are essential for optimizing your editing process and ensuring that you're making the most out of your time in DaVinci Resolve. So, go ahead and practice these key shortcuts in your next editing session. Remember, the home key takes you to the start, the end key takes you to the finish, and utilize the arrow keys for more refined movement. With time, they will become second nature, and you'll wonder how you ever edited without them. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide useful. Be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more tutorials like this. Until next time, happy editing in DaVinci Resolve.